Okay, everybody. Grace wants to show you how she can roll over. Yay! Can you look at Mama? Say hi, everybody. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Yeah. This is that talk. So we're just sitting here. Can you tell Mama hi? Yeah? You wanna roll over again? Show everybody how you do it. Say, I can roll over. Watch. Up, up, up. Almost. Roll over. There we go. Check it out. Who's the superstar? Yeah, I'm a superstar. I'm a superstar. Mama's not doing very good at holding the camera still, is she? We are totally in the phase right now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are getting to our I'm not quite happy phase. Okay, well, what's going on? Tell us all about it. Tell us all about it. Okay, we gotta go.